Hello students, welcome back to mathematics class of standard 5. This is the part 3 video of the chapter fractions. In today's session you will be learning about equivalent fraction and we will be solving the exercise problem based on the concepts that you have learned. Now let's move on to the session. Equivalent fraction. The fraction which indicates the same value are called as the equivalent fraction. Let's get to know what is meant by equivalent fraction by solving the exercise problem. Exercise 5.3. First main, complete the series. Here what they have given is, they have given the first two patterns. With this pattern only, what we are going to do, we are going to complete the given series. So, an equivalent fraction means which has the same values. For example, see here in the simplification method, I am going to teach you. Listen carefully, students. So, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. When we simplify this in 2 table, we get 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. An equivalent fraction means which has the same values. So this is called as an equivalent fraction. To get this equivalent fraction, what we have to do is we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. For example, when we multiply 2 in both numerator and denominator, we get the next series of number which is of 4 by 6. So I have taught you in first chapter itself, a series means it will be having a pattern. Now here the given pattern is in the increase order, which is of the multiplications of 2 and 3. So the equivalent fraction means it has to be multiplied both numerator and denominator with the same number. First we have done with the 2. As I said, it is in the increasing order. The third series number what they have given is x by 9. We have to find what is the next number after 4 and they have given the denominator pattern as 9. See here, as I told you, this is in the increasing order. It is also resembles the tables of 2 table and 3 table. So the next pattern will be of 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 on numerator and denominator will give you the next pattern 6 by 9. So we know that 9 comes 3 times in 3 table. Whatever the number we are using to multiply in the numerator or denominator, that should be same for both numerator and denominator. So when we multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. So already we have got 3 into 3 as 9. It is in the increasing order. So I told you this is in the 2 table and 3 table format. What will be the next pattern, students? So it is in the increasing order. We have seen 2 into 2 series, 2 into 3, then it will be of 2 into 4. So if we multiply, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. So we get 2 into 4 as 8 and 3 into 4 equal to 12. So the next series pattern is 8 by 12. Complete pattern of the first question is 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 6. 4 by 6 equal to 6 by 9. Then 6 by 9 equal to 8 by 12. So this is the pattern of the first question. Students, in an easier way also you can solve this. Just save the 2 table and 3 table. See the pattern and solve it in an easier way. One thing what you have to keep it in your mind is you have to be thorough with the tables. Then only it will be easy for you to solve the problem. Second problem is your homework. Second problem's first pattern I will be solving. The next pattern you are going to solve it. See, the pattern given is 5 by 7 equal to x by 14. So, if we multiply 2 with 7, we get the product as 14. To get the series pattern x by 14, I have multiplied 2 with the denominator 7. So the same number should be multiplied with the numerator also, so that we get 10 by 14. I have solved the first series. You are going to solve the next series. Now let's solve the second main. Second main, write next 3 equivalent fraction. See here, this resembles the pattern which we have completed in the first main. So what you're going to do, you're going to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number to get the next 3 equivalent fractions. When we multiply 2 into 2 will give 4. Similarly, whatever the number I multiply with the numerator, that should be the same with the denominator, so that we get 4 by 10 as the next equivalent fraction. So this is also in the increasing order. So what is the next pattern, student? Order. The next number is 3. See here, if we multiply 3 with 2, we get 6. Similarly, if we multiply 5 and 3, we get 15. So what will be the next pattern number? It will be of 4. When we multiply 2 into 4, we get 8 by 20. So the next pattern will be of 10 by 25. In the same method, you're going to solve the next two problems, students. Now let's solve third main. Are the two fractions equivalent? Mark with tick if it is equal, or mark with wrong symbol if it is not equivalent. So see here, I'll teach you in a very easier method which is called as a simplification method. You need not multiply or you need not divide it. So listen carefully. This is the easy trick to solve the problem. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to simplify this number in 6 table. How many times does the number 18 comes in 6 table? 6 3s are 18. So in 6 table, 18 comes 3 times. How many times does the number 30 comes? Continue the table. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30. Now this fraction which we simplified is equal to the given fraction 3 by 5. So are they equivalent? So if they are equivalent, put a tick mark. The next is 12 by 17 and 8 by 20. See here, by seeing the fraction itself, we will get to know whether it is equivalent or not equivalent. See, is there any relationship between the first fraction and the second fraction? If we simplify the number also, we will not get the pattern of the first fraction. So, the number that is given is not equal. In the same method, you are going to solve the next two problems. Now, let's solve fourth main. The equivalent fraction of the given fraction 4 by 7, having the numerator. See here. Here they have given a series of numerator and denominator as an option. So 4 means it should be the multiple of 4, or the given number should be divisible by 4. Here 16 will be divisible by 4 and 24 will be divisible by 4. Let's check. So if 16 is numerator, then 84 cannot be the denominator. Why? Because if we take 16 by 84, we will get the pattern as 4 by 12. Why? Because 12 sevens are 84. See here, the numerator is being correct. So to get the denominator pattern as 4 by 7, we have to change the denominator. So 16 by one more denominator they have given as 21. So when we simplify this, we get 4 by 7. This is how you have to solve the problem. Now let's solve exercise 5.4. Given here is reduce each of the following fraction into its lowest form. So what we are going to do? We are going to simplify the given numbers. So in 8 table itself we can simplify the given number. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So this is being reduced to the lowest form of fraction as 1 by 2. Once again I am saying, see here, 8 by 16 can be simplified in 8 table itself. Is it not, students? Let's solve the second problem. 5 by 10. So this is also same method. See here, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. If you are thorough with tables, then the simplification method will be very easy for you in calculating the problems. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we have simplified the given fraction 5 by 10 in 5 table itself, which means 5 ones are 5. So we have cancelled in 5 table itself and we have got the lowest fraction form as 1 by 2. Let's do for the next sum. See here, the given fraction is 54 by 108. Can be simplified in 54 table itself. Why? Because 54 into 1 equal to 54. 54 into 2 is 108. So we get 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2. Let's solve the fourth problem. 4 by 20. So 4 by 20 means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. In 4 table itself, this is being simplified. Only thing what you have to keep it in mind is you should be thorough with the tables, whatever the number. For example, if a number is given 44 by 88 means 44 into 1s are 44, 44 into 2 equal to 88. You have to be thorough with the tables. If you are thorough, then the simplification method will be easy for you to calculate the problem. Now let's solve the fifth problem. In fifth problem, they have given the fraction as 3 by 15. Now in 3 table, we are going to simplify. Say 3 table, 3 ones are 3. So the numerator has been cancelled in 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. So this number 3 by 15 is being reduced to the fraction of the lowest form as 1 by 5. So if we multiply 3 on both numerator and denominator, we will get the answer as 3 by 15. So students, this is all about the fractions. In next class, we will be learning about the angles. Until we meet in next class, keep practicing the problems that have been taught to you so far.